Hello everyone, it's me again, and I'm so glad to see you guys on my channel. And today I'll show you one of my training sessions, and you will clearly see that even with $100, you can earn quite a good amount of money. So in this video, I went from $100 to more than $2,000. I promise you a mind blowing training session today, and I'll also talk about why I chose that particular moment to enter the trade and once again talk about my strategy. Before starting this video, I want you to give this video a like, write your comments below so you could really help me support my channel, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my upcoming videos. And to make your own way in training much more easier, I left useful links especially for you. First of all, my personal link to sign up for Pocket Option with a gift deposit, absolutely free. 50% on your deposit so that you could start your own way in trading. And another thing is a link to my Telegram and the link to my private Telegram channel where I share winning trading signals every day. Right away, let's go to Pocket Option. To make this video, I withdrew almost the entire balance in advance and left only 100 on my account in order to show you that even with a small amount, you can earn quite well. Let's make the chart a little bit smaller. We can see that the price is in a basic downward movement and is now reaching another resistance level, respectively planning a reversal. That's why we conclude a trade for $100 on price decrease. $100 is our entire deposit, and we see a red candle appearing followed by a green one. The price is fluctuating slightly, but this is absolutely normal, as we remember that the price cannot go up and down all the time. And now we see a fairly active red candlestick. Our green candle has now changed its color, and the price started an active fall. In this situation, as always, I trade on price reversals. Here we see how our trade closes at profit, and we have $192 in our account. Let's change the amount of our trade and make our next trade for $192. So let's wait for the price to reverse and make an up trade for $192. Zooming in on a chart, we see the price moving in more detail. The price breaks through the previous support level quite strongly, but 1 minute is enough for the price to reverse and exceed the value at which we have entered our trade. And here we see the price rising quite well and the green candle now going up, but immediately changes color and is fluctuating slightly. And let's zoom in on the chart to see the price movement in more detail. And here we see that the price has risen quite well and our trade closed at profit, and we have $368 on our account. Let's immediately change the value of our trade to the full amount of our deposit, and we wait until the price reaches the reversal and goes up. Another red candle appears and the price moves in a small sideways movement. In other words, on the chart, if we look in general, we see a downward movement. Each support and resistance level is lower than the previous one, but the price bounces from those levels and changes its direction a little. And it is on those reversal that we trade. We make a trade for $368 and watch the price movement. I hope that the price will bounce back well enough to make an active reversal. And on the 12-minute time frame, we can clearly see the price is actively going up. And when the price fluctuates a bit more, when there is a red candle and the price goes down a bit. But 1 minute should be enough for the price to return to the upward movement and our trade closed at profit. And here in the last seconds, our trade closed at profit. I admit, quite dangerous moment. Nevertheless, we have on our account $807. Great. So we see a gap between the two last candles. Our price went upwards and is about to strongly break through the resistance level, not just reach it. So we can see just that the price is exceeding the previous resistance level. And at the peak of the value, we have to make a down trade. Guys, let me remind you that this gap, meaning quite a visible gap between two candles, means that price is now more likely to behave unpredictably and may change its pattern. And so it happened. We can see that price has broken through several previous resistance levels. And at the peak of the price, we make our down trade for $707.79. We can see the price falling. The price should bounce back quite nicely and it has surpassed several previous resistance levels. So 1 minute will definitely be enough for us to close our trade in a plus. We can see that the price is going into a small consolidation. This can be seen if we zoom in enough on our chart. And nevertheless, our trade closes at profit and we have $1,358 on our account. Great. We can see on the chart that the price exceeded 3 resistance levels, maybe even 4. And just now the price hasn't bounced back enough for reversal. We can see that on our chart because another candlestick which went red broke through the previous resistance level, and this is where we expect a nice reversal. We change the amount of the trade. Pocket option doesn't allow us to make a trade for more than $1,000 no matter how hard we try. So let's make a down trade. Let's make a trade at this point for $1,000 for 1 minute. Just when the price starts to drop quite actively, we enter the trade. One more candle appears. It changes its color a little bit. We can see the price is still fluctuating and still trying to bounce back, being in a bit of consolidation. And if we zoom in on our chart to 18 minutes time frame, we just see this small consolidation. Nevertheless, we are seeing a fairly active price drop and an active red candle. Another candle appears. It's also fluctuating a bit in its direction and even breaks through this level of the price value at the moment of entering our trade. But nevertheless, the price is unlikely to get higher and not much time left before we close our trade. And our trade closed at profit. Our account has increased by $1,920. Guys, in no time, we increased our deposit more than 22 times. In my opinion, this is a mind-blowing result. What do you think? So even with the smallest deposit, you can reach quite impressive results. I'm not saying that you should deposit $100 and start earning money right away. Yes, you will definitely need time to practice, to look more closely, to see the market better, and so on. For that, you'll also need more money. That's a rule of thumb. Treat it as an investment in your training, as an investment in your future earnings. But nevertheless, with this video, I want to emphasize the fact that even with a small amount of money, you can earn a very large amount of money. By the way, to start your own way in trading more easily and smoothly, I left useful links, especially for you, in the description below this video. The link to sign up for Pocket Option with a give deposit, 50% absolutely free. And another one is a Telegram link and a link to my private Telegram channel where I share winning trading signals on a daily basis. So I'll be very happy to see you among my subscribers. Guys, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate the fact of you giving me a like and write your comments below, so you could really help me to support this channel. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the upcoming useful information. And see you in the next useful video. Bye.